Session 15. Question and answer sentences. Question and answer sentences. Hi Rama, come here. Hey Rama, atra agaccha. What is Bharata doing? Bharatah kim karoti? He is reading. Sa patati. What are you doing? Tvam kim karoshi? Me too, reading. Aham api patami. What am I doing? Aham kim karomi? You are writing. Tvam likasi. Is Parvati reading or writing? Parvati patati va likhati va. She is neither reading nor writing. Sa na patati na pi likhati. She is sitting idle. Sa tushnim upavishati. Question and answer sentences. Present tense. Are you reading now? Tvam idanim patasi kim? No, I am writing now. Na aham idanim likhami. But you are reading. Tvam tu patasi. What all of you doing? Yum kim kuruta. We all are playing. Vayam sarve kridamaha.